Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the figure 8 loopy stitch. Yes, make sure I had the name right. The figure 8 loopy stitch. Which, if this is one you want to try, good spot to pause and screenshot or whatever you want. But how this one turns out, it's another one of the ones I call like tubes. The front and the back are the same. Got like these little tubes, and they're really puffy with these stretchy parts in between. So I'll hold that like that, so you can just kind of follow right along and see how to do this one. So we are at our anchor peg. You go around, wrap your first two, and then we're going to skip over and wrap two at the bottom. Go up, wrap two at the top, wrap two at the bottom, wrap two at the top, wrap two at the bottom. Alright, which you can see, you're wrapping the two, then you're skipping the bottom two and moving over to the next set of bottom two. And then you skip those, wrap those, skip those, wrap those. Now on this way back, we're going to pick all of those up, and that is your first set. Now you push that down. That's what it's going to look like so far. But now, get this where it'll just stay. There we go. Now we go up to the top, which you just go straight up, wrap, and we just follow that pattern the same. When we get to the bottom, we can't go like that because we're not going that way anymore, so now we just have to go straight up, and then we pick up all the ones we didn't get the first time, which it's still the same pattern, just kind of in reverse. Which, there you go. This is what it looks like now to finish your cast on. What we do is we get your hook, and you gotta watch your tension, because on these stitches where you are doing two pegs at the same time, your tension can get tight, and it's just very, very bothersome. Okay, so we got the loop around two pegs. We're treating both those pegs just like one peg right now. Take the bottom over the top, and I just go ahead and push them down, which you don't have to at this point. Go around to your other side, bottom over top, push, bottom over the top. Which you can see, your first few rows, they're going to be very loose because these loops are coming up and there's no tension or weight or anything to really pull them down yet. As you go along, you got to watch your tension. So this is what the cast on for the figure 8 loopy stitch is, what it looks like. Okay, thank you for watching. Any questions, post below. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thanks.